I've made over $90,000 just by referring people to GetResponse. It's a service that they need, and it's something that I highly recommend, and it's done well for me. Hey, my name is 𝗪𝗠cie 𝗟𝗲𝗀𝗋. I'm a content creator, entrepreneur. I've been working with entrepreneurs, helping them grow their businesses online. And I've been doing this for over 15 years. So back in 2008, I was working as a science and math teacher, but I was looking for a way to make some extra money. And I stumbled onto internet marketing and online business, specifically at the time when it comes to blogging. And I got into blogging, got into social media and so on. And I've been teaching people how to do that ever since. When I first started, I was actually marketing in forums. And what I started to realize was that if I wasn't actively marketing in the forums on a daily basis, my business would decline significantly. So I had to find a way to get people to come and find me without me having to always be out there in these forums, making all these posts to get people to come over. If you're an entrepreneur, you can't keep building on rented land. You have to build something that you own. When you have your own email list, that's a direct line of communication with your subscribers, and that is tremendously valuable. What initially drew me to affiliate marketing is the idea that I can create a resource that refers people to a product and service, and I can continue to get paid from that over and over again. I was trying to teach people about email marketing and the different services that are out there. So I actually did this whole evaluation, and I created an email marketing resource center where I compared all of these different platforms to see which one offers the best value. After I did all of the analysis and had all the fancy tables, my conclusion was that GetResponse gave me the biggest bang for my buck. So that's when I started using GetResponse, and I've been recommending them ever since. Over the years, I've promoted GetResponse in a number of ways. In the beginning, it was very simple. I would just tell people in my blog posts, in my videos, if you want an email marketing service, this is the one that you should use, and here is why. Then I said, you know what? This is working pretty well. Let me go a little deeper. So I remember creating an entire resource center with a bunch of tutorials showing how do you sign up for GetResponse, why you should use GetResponse. What I think makes GetResponse really stand out is it does so many of the things that an entrepreneur needs to do in their business. It does the email marketing. It does the marketing automation. You can set up landing pages. They offer so many tools that you can integrate into your workflow. So it makes it very simple for me to say, oh, you want to create a course? Well, it does that too. Oh, you need to email your subscribers? You need a landing page? You need a funnel? It does all of that as well. If you're new to affiliate marketing, you don't have to overcomplicate it. There are probably products and services you use right now on a daily basis that have affiliate programs. So what you can simply do is review some of those products or those services and share that with people. Share that with your audience. Or if you're just growing an audience right now, share it on your social platforms. Let people know, hey, this is a product I use, this is a service that I use and I trust, you should check them out, and here's why. And you'd be surprised at what you can do just from that. I literally am here and I'm thinking, it always sounds good to have a struggle. And I'm thinking, what has been my struggle with affiliate marketing? And I can't think of it because affiliate marketing actually has never been my main thing that I do. It's just been a natural thing that I do as a result of me wanting to help people. Focus on trying to be someone of value. Focus on trying to create resources that are going to be of value to a specific type of person. And if you can do that consistently and you can show up with that value, people are going to start to want to know more. People are going to want to know how you do what you do. And in doing so, you can naturally and organically promote the things that you believe in. And the good news is you can make money while doing it. And that's the basis for affiliate marketing. So it's something that anyone can do.